This next one's called Help, and it's great especially for beginners because they can bail out if they get in trouble. You start the scene with any guidelines, really. I like to establish the who, the what, and the where as soon as possible. You can get a suggestion from the audience if you like. But when the two players are going at it, at any point, if one of the players thinks, I don't know what to say, they just yell help, and someone replaces them. It's like a tag team effort. It's great. Let's do it.
I can't feel my fingers. Me neither. Ma said not to stick our hands in the socket, she did. I held out longer than you.
Help? That's just because I got sweatier palms than you, which makes me more conductive.
Ha! You got that from Mom.
I bet I can hold my finger over the candles longer than you.
You're on.
But you wish you had sweatier palms now, huh?
Help.
Like, ow, you win. I know. Whoever can hold their hand in a blender the longest totally wins.